This simple, powerful Claude prompt is actually going to find and create a fantastic listing for you that has the potential to be best selling. First of all, I'm going to show you how it works, but remember, this prompt is going to be in the video description. I want you to copy and paste it into Claude so that you can replicate this. And let me show it to you really quickly. Check this out. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. This is all it says. You're an expert Etsy seller and digital product strategist specializing in clip art bundles. And where it says specializing, put your own niche in there instead of clip arts. This is just as a demonstration to show you how it works. I need you to help me identify a low competition clip art niche and create a complete ready to publish Etsy listing package for it, right? So then we're going to click the generate button. Now look at this. This is crazy. Now what it's doing is, first of all, it's going to ask a couple of things. And actually the questions are really intuitive, right? First of all, it's saying, before I'm going to continue with this, I want to know a few things. First of all, what's your main goal? Fast sales, passive income. So let's say fast sales, right? Do you have any niche in mind or want me to pick from scratch? Now you can actually ask it to find yourself, or you can give it some ideas. So I want to say pick for me. What price range are you thinking for the bundle? I'm just going to go with a 2 to 5 impulse, or mid or premium. I'm going to go with a $2 to $5. What should the full listing package include? Now I'm going to say everything. So niche analysis, SEO title and tags, full description, mock-up image prompts, AI art prompts, and pricing strategy, right? So literally it's the whole package. You get prompts to actually create the designs, obviously for the clip arts. You got prompts to create the mock-ups. You get the full description, you get the title and the tags, you get the niche analysis, literally as it says, the full listing package, right? So I'm going to say, let's go. Now, first of all, it's going to do a little bit of research to see what's moving on Etsy right now. Now, the one thing I will say, and I will always say this, even though Claude is going to do this and it's going to do its research, I would always still validate it. And how I like to validate, especially the research part, is I like to validate it through a third party tool, and I call that Everbee my go-to research tool. So although Claude is fantastic, don't take its word for it. Go and verify and validate. Like anything you do, guys, it's always important to double check. Now, what it's doing is building my full package. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell, and in less than 20 minutes I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so I've got a full package. It says, give me a full package now. It's giving me the niche, the boho, wildflower, and bee clip art PNG bundle. Now, remember what I said. I do need to verify this with Everbee, right? Now, it says the research pointed clearly here. Specificity, yes, being specific is what wins. Watercolor wildflower is competitive, but boho, wildflower, bee clip art is way less crowded. The B angle rides one of Etsy's most consistent obsessions. So what's nice is it actually goes through a whole thing of explaining why it's concluded and got this chosen this item or sub niche to actually go for. It's also being specific. So it's identified an actual design clip art. Remember, this is in this particular niche. Do this according to your own niche. So what it'll do is it'll be specific why it has chosen a specific design for you. Then it goes on to why $3.99 specifically. Bundles beat single products every time. Selling 20 file bundles packs at $5 to $12 generates higher average order values and pushes up Etsy's algorithm faster. But for a brand new listing, $3.99 sits just under the psychological $4 barrier. Wow. I mean, look, it makes a lot of sense. I always say to new sellers, go slightly below the competition, especially if they've been selling for a while. So, I mean, common sense, definitely. Then it goes on to something called the fork strategy. Once you've created the base wildflower and bee assets, you've got the raw materials for at least 5 more listings with minimal extra work. So, yeah, it talks about this variation, lavender and bee, sunflower and bee, and other kind of combinations, which makes a lot of sense. I always say make sure that you actually create variations. Now, if you look at the right side, it's created sort of a colorful HTML of the complete listing package. And here's the stuff on the B clip arts on the right, talking about the strategy, why. Then it gives me the listing title to copy and paste ready. This is the exact title for me to use for this low competition niche that is found. All 13 tags ready to click and copy and paste in order as well. Each tag uses the full character allowance ordered by search priority. Use them in this exact order. So it's very specific, guys, right? The exact same order. It's giving me a very full descriptive, ready to publish product description, right? And you can see it here on the right, just ready to copy and paste. And what I do like about it is actually does something which I also advise, which is having the keywords at the front, the beginning. Let me just check something. It has those keywords at the beginning of the listing, product description, and it has it on the title, which is really good. So it's identified that the strong keywords need to be at the front of the title and the front of the product description. Okay. Then it goes, obviously, it gives me all the things that sees, it's clearly studied those top sellers because it's broken down the product description in those sections of how to use it, commercial use, instant download, any questions, and so on. Then it goes for the pricing strategy and it's given me, its advice on that. Prompts to generate the clip art. So to copy and paste these prompts. Wow, it's got quite a few of these. Really good. So I can actually try this out myself and see if it works, which I will do, and see how good it looks. And these are lots of few different prompts. It says, pro tip, run each prompt 4 times and pick the best result. Wow, it's really good. Again, I've also got listing photo prompts, right? Which is brilliant. Look, so I can create my listing images, mock-ups, lifestyle mock-ups using these prompts, which I just can copy and paste. Guys, this is phenomenal, like phenomenals. Literally found niches that are low competition, that is definitely found that I can get there and rank for. It's created the whole listing bundle, which is the title, SEO, tags, including mock-up prompts, listing image prompts. I've also got the actual assets, the design prompts, which I can copy and paste as well, which is phenomenal. Now, the one thing I will say with regards to design, just to give you just an idea on how it works, especially with digital products. Now, you can use something called Claude Design. And in Claude Design, I'll just go here on the side, you can click it there. So when you want to create your designs, depending on the type of thing you're producing. So through Claude Design, I'll just open up this file. This is just a website that was created, just the HTML version of a website that's created. So you can create complex technical design stuff through this. But if you want to create those sort of AI art style designs, then you're going to need to do it a different way. It's not going to work through design. It will work a different way. And I'm going to show you this right now, where you can go on the side. And what you'll see is when you go to customize, you'll see connectors. And if you check out my other videos, you'll see that you need to connect other applications or platforms. So there's something called Higgsfield, and you'll probably know Canva, which you can connect Claude to. So I'll just talk to you. I'll show you what I mean. Now, I've already connected Higgsfield, and Higgsfield has all those AI art models like ChatGPT's in there. I mean, you got Gemini, which is good, Nano Banana, Flux, Sea Dream, and all of those, right? So if I wanted to create now one of those assets to test it out, these designs, right? I just need to go back and then just open up the HTML with all that information, right? And then we're just going to copy the prompt, copy that. Then I'm going to go to, I'm just going to go here. So I'm going to say, create the following using Higgsfield. Higgsfield. Higgsfield's already connected. And as I said, Higgsfield's a platform where it has all of these design AI models, right? A little bit like Kittle. Okay, let me just paste it in now. Okay, and then I'm going to say generate. This is going to be very interesting. So now what's going to happen is you can see, look, if you look on the side, you can see that it's connecting to Higgsfield. See the logo there? Because the reason why I'm doing this is because Claude itself cannot do these kind of PNG designs, AI art style. It needs another platform to connect to create it. Now, so you can see saying Nano Banana is the best fit here, top quality, great illustrations. So it's connected within Higgsfield to Nano Banana, right? And then what it's going to do is going to generate for me some examples of this, a few different variations, if you like. Okay, so it's created some of these designs you can see here, right, in that specific boho cottagecore sort of style, watercolor style, and you can see it, just a few variations here. Okay, so you will be able to, however, one thing to note is that Higgsfield is a platform that you do need to pay for on a subscription. You do have a free trial, so you can try it out. However, this is, one of the AI art connectors that I found. Like I said, you can connect Canva if you're creating those kind of more template. You sell those more of those template types of digital products. Then you can connect to Canva. So that can be used, especially if you have your own, account. If you're looking at those other types of technical ones like digital planners or those websites, things like that, and more technical coded versions of digital products, you can create those directly through Claude Design. However, obviously that it does use a lot of credits tokens, so you have to be aware of that. So that's how to do it, but that just gives you an idea on how to create a potentially best-selling listing through Claude. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI-made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.